Hi, and welcome back to Visioneer TV. Today we will introduce you to a couple of great new additions to the Visioneer lineup, the Patriot H80 and H60 workgroup scanners. These machines represent our next generation of capable scanners, providing many new features and state-of-the-art technology at unheard of low prices. They will accommodate up to 120 mixed pages in the document feeder and scan those pages very fast. How fast? Up to 88 pages per minute for the H80 and 70 pages per minute for the H60. The extra wide input tray has the ability to feed through tractor-fed or dot matrix printer paper. That means scanning 9.5-inch wide documents and paper as long as 236 continuous inches. Inside these scanners, the upgraded active reversing rollers and ball bearings, along with the ultrasonic multi-feed detection, further enhance feeding reliability and increase the maximum daily duty cycle up to 10,000 pages per day. Designed for ease of use and reliability, the Visioneer Patriot H80 and H60 would make a valuable scanning tool for any organization, from finance to medical, even to the US government. For more information about our Visioneer line of scanners, please visit www.visioneer.com.